Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So the time is 9:26 a.m. I'm about to place the order for the straddle. So Nifty, so I'll do it with two lots today. Okay, start. Oh, my stop loss. Okay, so the Nifty is done. It's 9:27. I think I will place the Strangle also just now. $48, $43. I think it's okay. I'm going with 4 lots only this time. 46, good. Okay, stop loss orders, double the premium as usual. So it's 94.4, 92, 'Okay, so just in case you want to know, the margin being used is 8,91,000, so around 9 lakhs. Okay, so I'm done for now. At 320 I will exit these positions. I need not look at in between, and also I'll give you an update in the evening. Okay, bye bye. Good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well. So about the markets, today the market behavior was, it was all over the place. It opened flat actually. There was not much gap up or gap down, so it closed yesterday around 18,036. So it opened something around 18,080, so hardly 50 points difference, and then it's slid down actually. So it came 17,960, something like that, and so as you can see, it's almost like a V shape. So this zigzag shape is actually harmful for the strategies that I run. So if you're following my videos, then you would know that I run a short straddle and a short strangle on bank nifty. So the straddle has a 40% stop loss in each leg, and the strangle has 100% stop loss in each leg. So what happened was, this put of 102.55 with a 40% stop loss, it was gone around at 10:38. So I lost money in this one, so around 40 points I lost. So if you see 10:38, this is exactly the lowest that was formed during that time. In this, my put was gone for the straddle actually, but for bank nifty, no stop loss was hit. I covered it at the end of the day, but it came very close to getting, I lost a bit of money in this particular put leg of the bank nifty. I'll tell you later, but first let me conclude on this straddle. So the put leg was hit 10:38, and if you won't believe it, but what happened actually when the market started rising, so around 1:30, I think it came close to hitting the call stop loss also. So this would have been the first time, this 112, for which the stop loss was around 157. So this particular call, 18,050 call, if you see, it went as high as 143. So it came very close to getting hit, just 14 point difference. So it might have gotten hit, and I would have taken double stop today. So almost like 40 plus 40, around 80 point, 80 to 85 point I would have lost in this one. So around 8,000 rupees if you want to convert that to amounts. So but luckily the market reversed from this point and it went downwards. This particular, I would say that around this level, around 18,000 level, that is the Nifty 18,000 level, I was sitting at a very good profit, not very good profit, but around 40 point profit, if I say like that. So 4,000 rupees around I was sitting at here, but then it slid down, and this particular slide from around 3 o'clock to 3:20. So this slide actually made the bank nifty put leg gain a lot of points. So if you see, I sold this at 47. I lost 20 points in this particular leg, even though the call gained, but there was not much I could have done. Anyways, the system we are following, so I can say the highest M2M loss that I observed during this point or this point was around negative 4,000, maybe negative 3,700 or something like that. And not this point, around this point actually, when it rose very sharply, it was around negative 3,700. Then around here I was in positive 4,000, and then because of this last slide I lost like 1,200 rupees. So ultimately the gain was around 2,800. Okay, so let me show you the strategies in Sensible for initially. So this is the Nifty straddle that I run. So if you follow me, you would know that. So 18,000 put, 18,050 call. So I gained around 1535 in this one, and 1290 in the strangle for the bank nifty. So around total 2,800 I gained. It could have been like this is like 0.3% on the margin that I deployed today. I traded with smaller quantity. What happens is Monday and Tuesday I have observed that there are more losses. So Monday is the worst actually. Out of all the days that I have traded on Mondays, only one has been profitable and others have been in losses. Maybe it's because there is not much decay on those days and the delta move really harms me. So stops are hit and I have to take losses. Anyways, for now I will not abandon the strategy for Monday even. I will continue with that. But if it continues to give me loss on Mondays, then I may avoid trading on Mondays. Especially this strangle, I may avoid on Mondays. Straddle, still it is continuing. This is I think 8th or 9th time that it is profitable, and you can see the link which I will provide in the description for both these strategies, so you can check the performance of both strangle and straddle. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. This behavior of the market is actually not very good, but luckily somehow, I don't know why, I ended up being profitable. Maybe because by the time it slid down, it was already 930 to 320. So the options which I have sold did not move as much. If you know options, you would know even if the market goes down, the put doesn't gain as much value as it had here. So if it had like 75 points here, it would have 67 points here because of just time decay. So if you know options, you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, so anyways, this was today's situation. Luckily I ended up in profit. It's not like the market behavior was not very good. It was a swing, as if the market was trying to say, why are you even trying? So but okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt or confusion, please provide them in the comments. I will reply. And thank you, take care, bye bye.